Okay, we can't confirm, but rumor is this salad was a favorite of Jennifer Aniston's while filming Friends over those 10 years. And it's also one of Lisa Danielson's favorite salads too, like mine. Lisa, you say Jennifer Aniston ate this salad for lunch every day during the 10 years of filming, really?
According to the internet, she did.
Well, the internet never lies. We know it to be true. Where did you first hear about this?
I actually read about this about 10 years ago in a magazine that she actually ate the same lunch every day on the set of Friends. And so I knew I had to find out exactly what it was. And I heard that it was a plant-based salad with fresh herbs.
Okay, so a naturally vegetarian salad, or did you kind of give it your own tweaks?
Yeah, it was vegetarian. Now, this is a salad that you could totally add, some grilled chicken to, or even some shrimp would be really nice. But yeah, it's naturally a vegetarian salad.
And there's a grain at the base, right? This is a loaded bowl.
Yes. So she actually used bulgur, but I like easy, right? So you can buy these packets that have brown rice and quinoa in them, which they're super high in protein. They give you more whole grains. And it's really easy to make. 90 seconds in the microwave. You can't get easier than that.
Nice. So we can do that. How do we build from there?
Okay, so next, it's just a chopping salad. So you're going to add some diced cucumber, easy peasy, and then we're going to add some chickpeas.
And that's the protein, right?
Yeah, our protein comes from there and from the quinoa as well. And then we're going to add some chopped pistachios, which I think is what makes the salad so yummy. And then we're going to take our fresh herbs. So we've got some parsley and mint. Just chop them up, just give them a rough chop, but they add a really nice flavorful element. And that's the thing that a lot of people don't realize, that you won't really miss the meat if you have good flavor.
I think mint too is an underappreciated flavor in a salad.
Yes.
I have a favorite from Blue Lemon here in Utah, and it's a mint like mango chicken, and that mint becomes the star flavor in a very subtle way.
Totally. A lot of people sometimes think that it can be overpowering, but it's really not the case. And then a little bit of red onion, a little bit goes a long way. So just dice it up. And then I like to use block feta cheese because I personally think it has more flavor, better flavor than when you buy it crumbled. So I just buy it. Yeah, you can just buy it in the block. It's just a little bit more moist. And then you just crumble it right on top of the salad. And this is the thing that I love about the salad is there's no measurements, just eyeball it all. That's my favorite kind of, just go for it. So the dressing, so easy. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Hit me.
Okay. Juice of 1 lemon. That's it. And then some olive oil. And then salt and pepper. And you're done.
Clean and pure. We would expect nothing less from Jennifer Aniston and nothing less from you. And it speaks to two things. First, I'll just say it's nice to have one filling meal, like one good, I can feel good about what I'm putting in my body, sort of a lunch. This also brings up the idea, I know that's your specialty too, this also brings up the idea of kind of a food kick. Like if she really did eat this every day for 10 years, first of all, we know why. It's healthy and packed with all the good stuff and the clean stuff. But we get on these food kicks. Do you have a food kick you're on right now, Miss Lisa? Something that just kind of popped onto your food radar and now you just can't get enough?
Well, I do love a good grilled toast situation. So like you grill a nice piece of sourdough bread. You can put pesto on it. You could put mozzarella cheese. You could put fresh basil on it. Or sometimes I'll cook some eggs and put it on top.
Lovely.
That's kind of a big trend right now is the grilled bread meals. A lot of people call them snacks, but in reality, they're meals.
When you're loading them up with an egg and all of those fixins you described, that grilled bread, I like that. Otherwise known as toast.
Yeah, fancy toast. Imagine
I like grilled bread. I like grilled bread. Do you think you could eat this salad every day for 10 years?
Well, I have eaten the same meal for 3 years for lunch.
Me too.
Yeah, it's great, right? Because it's just, it's a good one. You're going to like it.
What was yours?
Mine was a roasted carrot soup. What about you?
A roasted carrot soup every day for 3 years?
I did.
I don't want to
every
confess
day for 3 years.
mine was in my teenage years, so the health factor doesn't count, right? It was rice, Chex, and a banana for breakfast.
Listen, Don't fix it if it ain't broke, right?
I'm going to try the chickpea salad, maybe the roasted carrot soup as my next food kick. You're always so inspiring, though, Lisa, to bring these veggies, bring in healthful foods in a really flavorful, appetizing way. Where can we get more recipes and ideas from you?
VeggieLisa.com or Instagram at VeggieLisa.
All right. Thanks for sharing. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
We'll link you over to her website and Instagram, VeggieLisa, from ours on the recipe page.